There is a small trick in this. So if you are using now your audio for your video as well as your slideshow, so they are actually parallel recordings that are taking place. So you can have one small trick in this. So whenever you start recording, you give a clap like this. So this clap will create an audio spike, and these spikes you can keep on. So like we see in the movie shootings, etc., they use this clapper. So that creates a spike, and that you can then correlate the audio and the video. Fine. So these two videos now, which are recorded parallelly, these you can now move to iMovie, and you can create your slideshow. So I'll move to iMovie now. So this is the working space of iMovie. Now, so to start a movie, so we have to press that big plus sign, add media from various libraries, and we can add video clips, we can add photos, etc., in the media, and we can start using it. So here we have these three spaces. So on the left side you can see here, this is the media library. On right side, this is the okay. So now I'm using my iPhone as a remote, and you can see this. So this preview space here. So here you will see the preview of the video. This is the timeline. So here the movie keeps on the things from the media library. So here is the media library, and from here you keep on picking up things into the timeline, and you can start the making the movie. So this workflow, I have made many slides, so I will just make it into a maybe video and share with you. Right now I will just give a demo on like how we can start a movie. So this is the movie which I have made for I have shared already on the our forum, that an anatomy and human physiology video. Yeah, now, yeah. So here is the media that I have taken. Now Apple uses this Apple file system. I hope everybody knows about Apple file system. So now for example, like this file. So this is around 39 GB, this video file, and see, my hard disk has 340.53 GB, that is there in it. Now this 50 GB I'll copy and I'll paste. So I made two copies of this around 40 GB file, and you can see here the space hardly changes in the hard disk. So this is Apple file system, where they I don't know what they do, but the space does not get occupied a lot when there are multiple copies of same things on your computer. So let us start a new movie. So I'll so this is the crude movie which I shot at home. Yeah. So you can see that this drag and drop also, it happens very fast. So now this was my crude movie which I shot at home. Now here you can see this small slider. So this is the zooming apparatus, so with which you can spread up the whole video. So how much you want to spread it, depending on that, like you can move this slider. So particularly while trimming, etc., So this is my original video which I have shot at home. So there is a plain wall, and here I have used my
Dear students, I am Dr. Sachin
iPhone
Sarate.
for shooting
I will
it.
be teaching you this subject, that is.
So what I did was I just took our logo from our website, and then I just use this crop to fill. I crop this whole video like this, and then I gave some filter touches. And also I added our logo here. So I added that logo, and then I made it into another movie. Uh, so then a crude movie along with this SSN logo. So that was formed. So this is the movie now. It has the SSN logo. So I saved it again, and then I added the other media. So here are a few things like some small GIF files. Now this is a file of the cell membrane. So I'll show like how to use this picture in picture. So you have to first select this file, go to this selection here, make it picture in picture. Then it will allow you to move this anywhere along the slide. Now this picture, that can also be given some small animation like movement. So this crop to fill is like just it will stay as it is. Then this is called Ken Burns. So Ken Burns, it has a start and it has an end. So this start and end you can select. So like this I can select the, so this is the start and this is the end. Okay, so now see how it plays.
This is the first pre-class video, hence I will give a short introduction to the.
So here in this way you can add a photograph, and you can put and you can even give a small movement to it. Now about something called a green screen. Okay, so now this video can be clipped. So here I am going on the screen now. So now for this Mac, like we have two fingers to be put, that becomes a right click, and here you have so many of these different options here. So we can detach the audio as a whole. The whole audio can be detached, and on this audio also you can on this audio also you can work, and you can trim this audio if there is some small so you must have seen Dr. Alvin sir's video which was shared. So in that there were some noises of some falling. So I tried to trim that, but the noise was still like quite huge, so it could not be made. And like I needed Alvin sir for doing the dubbing, so that was not possible from my home. So here I'll show you how that can be done. So here I have split the audio, and again, so the video is running, but the audio I have clipped to remove the noise there, and I can simply delete it. I use delete button, Now from here, so the audio will play.
Human body, whereas physiology is the study of functional aspect. As medicine,
So here I can use this dubbing for changing the voice. So as medicine was evolving, so some physicians, they needed some sort of physicians, they had to do something, and so now
study of functional aspect. As medicine,
so some physicians, they needed some sort of so now I just did a dubbing in front of you. I removed the clip, and I added a new audio clip. Now something called the green screen. So this green screen, we see this a lot in our movies, where what they do, uh, they shoot first in front of a green screen, and then they bring in something behind that person. So in my video, you must have seen that this is happening behind me. So that was done using this green screen. Luckily, like, I have a green wall at my home. Yeah. So now for this, I have to make the other clip as a secondary clip. So I have to move this on the top. Oops. So that audio and video, they have to be clipped together, then only we can move that part. Now I pushed up. So here now again, using this small box here, I can put as this as green screen. So some physicians, they needed some. So here is an eraser with which you can erase that background.
aspect. As medicine,
So some physicians, they needed some. And again, you can have Ken Burns for the back clip, or just crop to fill. And now this was my area which I wanted should be seen on the screen.
As medicine,
So some physicians, they needed. So now you can see that GIF playing there behind me. So this is how, like, we can trim the videos, use green screen, or use videos for this iMovie. So there are many more things which we can do. So trimming a video, and some transitions now. So here now, so sometimes what happens, we do a video and then we clip it. After clipping, there is no smooth transition. So here we have transitions which can be picked and dropped directly. So which way is? Okay, this doorway I will just put here. And I can even increase the time also. So I can put it to 3 seconds or okay. So now it is saying that like the media. So this clip is quite short, which cannot be stretched to that much limit. So I'll show how it now. So we can like this also we can preview.
Which are now done regularly in medical colleges.
So the doorway
knowing
transition.
that many people they even go for.
Okay, so these are the transitions that you can add and make it smooth. That Ken Burns I already showed you. Then titles and subtitles. So there are some options in here. So here these titles are there. So you can put anything and so first so the way we edit any text, we can simply edit this text. We can change the color, we can make it bold, etc.
Even go for body donation, so they can donate their whole body, and
So that looks
body
like
is
this.
used by medical students for dissections.
So we have many different types of themes here which are available free. Now apart from this uh, you saw that in the end of the video there were some small sounds which were added. So there are these audio effects which are also available in our this iMovie. So every small thing, say phone dialing, or then there are some jingles which are there. Machine sound. So these jingles are quite long. So this type of this type of sounds we can add in the video. So this you can straight away pick up and drop. Now you can make these sounds as a small background sound by reducing the volume also.
By medical students for dissections. Anatomy has two aspects. There is gross anatomy.
So this is how like you can work with the sounds, and that there were some small sounds like that 1 second sounds also, which we can put in when we need something like that jiggle effect, etc. in our present, like this cartoon boing, etc. So that also can be added. So backgrounds now in the end, or some places there where there was some problem with the video, so you can just put those so this I used in the end of my video, so the background will
normal
be
values.
available like this. So on that you can again then put some media and use it. So this cane burns with, now this is a typical nice example of picture I got. So this cane burn, now this picture has only the letters there, and the background is transparent. So it was quite nice to make this cane burn. So you can see this in my presentation, anatomy physiology presentation. So here when it plays, so it starts from here, the reaction, and ends here.
Of biochemicals inside our body, which we use to monitor the health of individuals, this all comes from physiologists.
So coming to Keynote now, as a software, Keynote is quite easy to use. Here you have this play, and here you can record the slideshow. So straight away you start recording the slideshow. So once you start this record button, so it starts recording, and after that it gets saved, and then you can simply export the file as a movie file. So now this file will be a slideshow which is running along with your voice. Later you can, if you want, you can add your video inside this inside that. So you can let the video play in front of you, and along with that you can record on a different device or using that our QuickTime, and then you can merge these two videos using our iMovie. So this dubbing also, this overlays, these also I showed, like how two things can be played together. Green also I showed. Sound can be improved, so some special effects, so all these filters etc., and like sound effect also are there. And in the end we can so to export this movie, so we need to go and now here these three dots are there. From there, share project, and you can directly put it on Facebook, YouTube, email, Vimeo, or you can save it as a file, and so either 4K, 540p, the quality of this video also, this the compression also that you can select, and then you can select a place where you want to save this movie, and you can save that. So for burning also it doesn't take much time, so it's quite a fast system, so it happens quite quickly. The only issue is like uploading it. So I uploaded my video on our Panopto also, so it took around 3 or 4 hours, but now that is there on Panopto. It was quite a big file, around 39 GB it was showing. Now other thing is this using your iPhone along with the Keynote, or you can use it with even this is Microsoft Office for Mac. So if you need to put some photograph or like, so wherever you want, like in Keynote or in PowerPoint, so Apple has this option. So I'm right clicking, and here one option comes, take photo. So now what I am going to do, I have my biomechanics book here. So I have taken a photograph, and I am using the photo. So the photo straight away comes to your slide, or like same thing you can do with your Microsoft. So this is, they say, continuity in Apple. So whatever is going on in your iPhone, so if you open up one file here, immediately that prompt comes in your Mac. If you are doing something on Mac and you suddenly pick up your iPhone, that prompt also comes there. So these are some things which I wanted to share with you people. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So I think we can have some quick questions for Dr. Sachin, maybe 1 or 2 questions. And we'll start with Dr. Balaji. Are there any questions for Dr. Sachin? So in fact, he has showed a very sophisticated tool. And of course, you need not jump into that kind of a sophistication immediately. You can start with some simple video recording, and as you gain more and more expertise, you can slowly shift to much more sophisticated tools. So are there any questions for Dr. Sachin?
Sir, this is Balaji.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Sachin sir, I have only one question. Like, I was a bit bothered about the file size.
Yes, sir.
Even though it's not showing it there, if you go and check in the hard drive, then quite after some time, it anyhow it occupies. Even though it doesn't occupy to the extent of 40 KB, it substantially occupies more space. Is there any way in Apple file system we can minimize any tools for that?
I whatever I read when I was when in 2017 when this High Sierra came, that Sierra, so that time they
Yes,
were
sir.
telling this Apple file system is coming, and like I read something about that, and they are telling that when there are 2 copies of anything in Apple, this APFS hard drive, then it shows you something like a what I can say, like a shortcut only outside, but it allocates the same space on the real hard disk. And I am really surprised to see, like so when I changed my hard disk, like a huge amount of space was shrunken. So I think that is the peculiarity of APFS. And other thing I wanted to show that right now I have booted from an external hard drive. This whole thing I am playing now. This is this MacBook Pro which I am like right now using. It has its own hard drive here. So this is the Macintosh hard drive that is there inside the this one, and this is a separate hard drive. And this whole presentation right now, which the whole video, the edits I did, everything was from this. So this APFS is quite friendly with this type of. So this is a 3.2 Samsung P7, around 600 Mbps speed it gives. So APFS, these things, like I very superficially know that APFS does not occupy more space because it just points to 2 things, keeping the thing only at one place inside the hard drive.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. So I join all the faculty members SSN in thanking Dr. Sachin again. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you everybody. Thank you
Yeah.
for the opportunity.